Hey, for over a decade I've been looking for a marketing solution to automate my marketing campaigns. Thanks to Onpassive, automated marketing is becoming a reality. The figures speak for themselves. In my years' experience online, I've never seen anything that gives such a powerful advantage to anyone as what you're about to see here. Right now, we're on the brink of a massive shift in the online space, which, combined with the brand new technologies, the latest software, AI, Onpassive will let people dominate the any market and skyrocket their brand, traffic and sales. Very few people are even aware of this huge new trend. They stand to lose fortunes by missing out. Ash Mafara has used his years of experience in software development and research to create a solution you won't find anywhere else at any price. I want you to imagine this for a moment. What if you had the opportunity to be among the 1% when Google started 2001, MySpace 2004, Facebook 2007, YouTube 2012, etc., etc. Now let's look back within the last 7 years since a major online shift. Social media has grown from 1.83 billion to nearly 3+ billion users. I'm sure by now you're wondering what the point of all this mambo jambo is. Well, to cut to the chase, it's estimated that at least 1.5% of the 3+ billion are looking for some form of online business. 71% of adults with internet access use social media platforms. So, why does this matter to your company? When you're advertising your business, you want to reach as many people interested in your organization as possible. Now when it comes to choosing the best social media platform, you will need to make sure you choose the right one for business so that you don't just follow the mass. This can lead to losing a fortune, so take time and make sure you research for the best platform for your business so you don't lose an arm and a leg. Hey, it's your arm and leg, take good care of them. Now there's an alternative, and it's the mighty Onpassive. Please don't take my word, do your diligence and research before you jump in. Always you take care. Stay safe.